At enormous cost and in the face of tremendous opposition across the country, the previous majority in Congress forced on the American people a great socialist experiment in government health care. No area of the American health care system was left untouched by Obamacare. In the name of reform, the Democrat majority expanded a broken government program, Medicaid. They cut funding from what is already the nation's largest unfunded liability, Medicare. And then, basking in their glory, they added a whole new entitlement program to our catastrophic national debt. The American people were never told the truth. They were promised health care choices, but saw them taken away. They were promised they would save money, but saw their health care get more expensive. The most in need were promised access to health care through Medicaid, a program that is not only bankrupting the federal government, but the state governments as well. Madam Speaker, the clock was unfortunately turned back last year. Failed socialist policies reemerged from the dustbin of history, and it was a dark chapter for our nation. Instead of improving the lives of all Americans by fixing our broken health care system, starting with Medicare and Medicaid, the Democratic majority subjected the American people to class warfare, anti-capitalist hate speech, and vitriolic rhetoric. Bathed in the excesses of power, they passed a bill that by their own admission they hadn't read, and then lectured the American people, claiming that we have to pass the bill first so that we could find out what was in it. Madam Speaker, the American people have read the bill, and they've rejected it. Today, the House will repeal Obamacare, and we will ensure that this renaissance of socialism in America is the shortest living political era in our nation's history. I yield back.